marka lacag samaysaan ay imaanayaan, don't worry.
kala guuri ma
marka lacag samaysaan ay imaanayaan.
alla soo aruursan leen
Sorry, waa. Okay, shaashadan idin wadaaga marka. Halkan waxaan ku hayaa JBP USD. Niyo gold kali laguma ekaa karan fahantay. Marka ani waa dhowr asset aan ku daray. Dhowr asset, dhowr lacagood aan ku daray insha Allah. So
intaas diyaaraha la sii shaqaysta ma leen
in a low time frame. ما fursado kale la iska sii raadiyaa no because
sax
fursado kale la raadinayaa. Lacago kale oo maaragtay haba iska daahaane oo dhaqaaq ku siinaya jiro.
qof gold u barata laakiin ma sabri karto
may trade waa iska dhigaa waa ka tagaa waaba seexanaa no maxaa stop loss aan saarana waa iska seexanaa.
cajis waay taartii
Kana USD CHF shalay galay ilaa hadda waa iska haya. Wax khasaaro uu igu hayan ma laha, wax faa'iido uu ii wadana ma laha. dhaqaaq news uu sugayaa macnaha.
waa la yaab beerarka waa caadi
Ana waa iskaga falfalaada no.
kobtaada una gashay maba lagu daysan karo ustaad
Allah warniyo waxba idiima dhaamaan. Waxba idiima dhaamo. This is the best is key level. Stack break oo sameeyay AUD USD. Ma xuma. idinka gold ayaa ku haystaan gold ayaan fiirinaya okay.
waxaan isdhehna dagaalada waa biir waxaan isdhehna
gold waa kaas gold aragtidii waa kaas halkaas inuu aadaan rabaa. ilaa iyo soddonka in la tago. Saddex afar saddex afar soddon. Good job, good job. Okay, macalin TB waa H4SBR level so ma ahan. Okay, Mr. Geeljire FX for our iyo markaan wax waa fahantay ee shaqeyso waa kaasa SBR levelkii noo joogaa. laakiin waa isgedin karaa diyuus waa geedkan hoosuu isku soo gedin karaa meesha hadda uu joogo. After break ooda ogaanayna low time frame breakout. weli wax breakout ma hayna saaka. Iska baashaalooyaa gold. What is our market order flow, guys? It is bullish now. It's bullish. Yeah, hello. Camel traders, brother. So do geljire badana ku jira maanta.
macluumaad maasanta horta kowdhe
Adiga
aad u
ma
maasanta wax fiican baad dartay anigii kuu sheegayo meel maleeshiyaankii maaragtay guri baan kaa soo dhex arkay anigii soo
sax.
blaagarayay hadda 2 isbuuc baan imanaya inaad isbuuc ba hadda ii dhigtay aad baan u fahmay
Isbuuc baa 10 ku dhigay aad baa u fahantay. 2 session bas.
laba session oo aduu 2 saac iyo wax ah weliba tii dambe kuma celcelinina tii hore maan ku celceliyaa
muuqaalada waa haysataa ku celceli casharadii aan qaadanay labadaas isbuuc. waa worth of millions and millions of dollars waay weliba kasii qaalisan. marka waa ka suuqaana sidiisa maaragtay adigaa fudeed ka dhigi karo adaa adkeyn karo haddii xogta aa haysatid. That's the most important part. Order flowna waa ku kala dhigdhigay 2 session kala ku dhiman waa ku soo celinaynaa practical badan sameeynayna. suuqiina nagama cararayo waa taagan yahay meeshiisu joogaa so adiga kugu xiran tahay isqaad ama isdhig.
masha Allah maasanta
so labada entry aan ku baray labadaas entry la meel saar wax kala raadinin. labadaas entry meel saar hadda labadaas entry maalintii heli karto xakaa maqan look saake analyst garee inuu meeshaas taagayo waa tiki waa soo daaday waa i dhaaftay dhib ma leh laakiin hadda break ooda soo sameyn doontaa USD JPY. All right. Okay, type 2 waa ila fahantay. Very good. Very good. Saasaan kaa rabaa.
macalin golden zone kama isticmaalaha retracementiga hadda type 2 markuu inoo samaysmay meesha ku dhamaanayo
tusaalaan daily levelka hadda maxaa la jira fiirso level daily a meeshaan ku jiro moogtahay daily levelka maxaa la jiro hadda 1 hour aan joognaa 1 hour marka soo ujeedid 1 hour soo ujeedid marka 1 hour SNR level oo clear oo meeshaan kugu siiyo okay standard marka waa decisional level kaaga halkaas waay
صح وي
decisional level kaaga halkaas waay sida kale maxaan kusoo sheegnay in our document maxaan kusoo sheeg in our document maxaan kusoo sheegnay fiiri maya markii laga hadlayo which key level we've explained about a key level. You know, we have a lot of key levels, right?
decision
At any time frame, there is a key level, right? Yeah, it's here.
صح
So, key level mel will be yalla, صح? Like in the most important and valid key level is what? Which one? Okay, meaning of a key level is the one that broke out engulfing. Look here. Okay, where is the engulfing candle? Here.
yes.
So SNR that has broken the engulfing is here.
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله 1 hour SPR
Okay, so here it's based the SNR level or this decisional level. And then you put here 30.
You're 200 there.
Yeah, if you put 400, it will be just like that. Well, let us say this is, and then we go with 100. Let's see, 300 pips points. If you wanna, you can go with this area by targeting here. 1 to 2 is very enough, but that if you go with your stop loss above this high, very nice. Don't take risk too high. All right, and then we rise to pullback. Okay. So you have two decisional levels, this one and this one. So whenever price comes here, for example, I'll sort of kind of limit, for instance. So you enter, okay? If it goes there, you enter. You have two levels of entry.
Okay.
So you should not miss single trade, guys. But that one is the best, okay? That one.
Where is key level?
Boom. Pergi hala masuk.
Gile, nadaka naman.
So yeah, gele hala masuk. Waa irmaani hala masuk.
Dadku caana gilo yan.
Gele waa irmaani hala masuk. Wow, fiiri NCD, look, NCD, how we kill it this morning, guys. Look. NCD. I posted, I think, when it was here.
Where's key level, bro?
What do you mean?
I see key level, bro.
I'm not understanding what you're saying, brother. Anyway, look, this asset, Euro JPY, it was playing, guys, playing games. And if we go back history, there was SNR level that price broke yesterday. So I think we cannot just aim to buy, to sell because of yesterday's breakout. Since yesterday broke out, today we will pull back past it, then we will buy. Look over here, guys. We have this daily decisional level. and then price for 4 hour. It gives you guys can see that which SNR is the best, the one that covered a price, this one. And we will refine before or level to which level? 1 hour. And then 1 hour level, you guys can see we have one here, another one here with aggressive move. So my aim is to get this one as 1 hour level. There is another one here, but there is such as you guys can see, we will not take it. So this is where we will aim our trades. And then let the price come here. We will come back. When price comes here, we will update the market so that it will be very nice. geeljirayaasha waa ay la socotaan maho asxaabay.
si fiican macallin si fiican.
geeljira dhan ani adile maa ka joogno marka. aawe axmed iyo asad waa
waa
arkaa.
joogaan way joogaan
masha Allah.
Allah ku sharfo waa aqoontan u socoto cilmiga.
Thank you
Saas Allah.
brother.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So horta waxa waaye analyzing ama technical analyze waa soo koobay qofkii Malaysian SNR dokumentiyadii iyo muuqaaladii hore ee sanadkii tagay iyo sanadkii horeba aan sameeyey, qofkii soo daawaday, qofkii meelaha analyze iyo research soo sameeyey. Hadda wax le ka dhiman bes qaabkee intri u helaa, intee laga galaya suuqa, intaas le waa inta ku dhiman. Inta ku dhimanna 2 isbuuca lagu koofar garaynaya. ayaga dhan 2 isbuuc aa lagu sharxaya. 2 isbuuc kadib waxa waaye suuqa waa arkaysaa meesha u socday, meesha aad ka gali karto. taasaan muhiimadda dhan lagu sheegaya intaas waaye. Okay, 2 midkood waa inaad gambler noqotid iyo inaad noqotid professional trader. So marka professional trader iyo maxaa ku yiraahdaa iyo gambler waxay ku kala duwan yihiin. Professional traders, they do not guess, yani qiyaas kuma socdaan, but they predict, laakiin way saadaaliyaan. Ma fahanti? That's what the professional traders do. Gamblers, they do not predict, but they guess. I think, I saw, blah blah, waxaasay sameeyaan. sidaan u malaynaya, sidaan u ileeyahay, pum gal ka soo bax. Yeah. The other thing is like waxa kale ugu muhiimsan waxay noqonaysaa haddaad rabto inaad professional trader noqotid, midaan waa inaad ogaataa. maxay tahay midaan? dulqaad, patient, dulqaad. tusaale ahaan sad abaa analyze gareysatay, waa saadaalisay, price waxay ku qaadanaysaa waqti inuu adiga setupkaagii confirmation sax ay ku siiyo. haddii suuqa marka aad rabtid inaad hadba candle-kii booda raacdid, waa raaci kartaa, laakiin waa iska gambling. laakiin haddaad sugto setupkii aad diyaarsatay, confirmationka sidii la rabay laguu siiyo, oo dulqaad aad ku dabaqdo, then there is waxa ay qabtaan marka professional traders. adigana ku darso, Soomaalida waxay yiraahdaa ninkii sabraasidkiisa hela. yani dulqaado, markaas helaysaa setupkaagii saxda ah. laakiin inta u dhaxaysa haddii uu ku kaxeeyo ama uu marba dhinac ku wada dareenkaaga, ogow meeshaas waa meesha losingka badan uu ka jiro. inaad wax badan loos garayso, akoono badan aad gubtid because of your emotions. laakiin number 1 ma leedahay rule sharci? ma leedahay number 1? Do you have rule? Because rule-ka waay waxa ku dhahayo sug ha cararin, ha galin suuqa, u kaadi, weli confirmation ma jiro. sharciyaa ku dhahayo. sharci ma leedahay mise suuqa markii aad subaxdii ka soo kacdid analyze unbaa iska bilowda adigoo aanan sharci dhan lahayn? sharcigu marka waxaa laga yaabaa inaa isweydiinayso waa nooc ma sidee waaye sharciga? sharciga waxa weeyaan kow waxuu ka bilaabanaya naftaada adiga waa inaad rule leedahay waqtigaa seexato waqtigaa ka kacdo de salaadiina waqtigiiba leedahay waad ogtahay inaad routiinkaaga ku dartid waqti aa cunto cunaysid waqti aa analyze samaynaysid waqti aa trade qaadanaysid waqti aa nasanaysid waa inaad samaysaa sharcigaas waa inaad samaysataa kadib markii technical analyze-ka la yimaado waa inaad systematical way u alama-asgaraysaa suuqa aad tiraahdid sharcigaas baan haystaa sharcigaas hadduu waafaqo suuqa waan galayaa hadduusan waafaqin maanta kubadaydan iska aadayaa oleyga businessiga kale caanahaygaan iska gadgadanayaa geeligaan iska soo maalanaya waxyaabahaas kalaa iska qabanaya something outside trading wax ka baxsan trading aa qabsanaya haddiiba suuqa uusan sharcigaada kuu samayn laakiin candle kasta ayaan markaa bursanaya haddaad tiraahdo it is a gamble you know the pure price action waxa waaye waa kan ku haga adiga kan ku haga oo waqtina ku siiya emotionkana kaa ilaaliya riskigana kaa ilaaliya kaas waaye pure price action laakiin haddaad tiraahdo every candle is a type of price action and I'm championing with a rule wallahi wallahi weligaa ma soo kabsanaysid meeshaa la taagnaanaysaa okay mana laga yaaba trading inaa howl ka samey lacag ka samayso
Tafiti jambo limandi.
سلام يا شل
Amin bye.
su-aal ma waxaa rabtaa inaad suuqa iskaga sii jirto adigoo nabad qaba lacagna samaynaya mise waxaa rabtaa inaad qamarto that's the question oo ah tusaalehaan I wanna get a quick reach inaan dhaqso ku noqdo reach aan rabaa okay
Sekarang
haddaa rabtid inaad dhaqso lacag ku samaysid then you cannot be here guys trust me you will never be here mashallah GU very nice GU very good nice move anyway guys do your best then do your best so this market daily level let me try to analyze this one okay all right I think it will trap us but I'll be careful guys okay one chance and same level entry but it's giving a good entry guys AUD is no a nice sell because we have daily and forward is giving the same level so the refinement of the entry level is this one okay the 1 hour and then go any of the time frames looking for some other confluences okay this was not a good confluence yeah seems lower time frame is giving a good confluence now good conference 5 minute this trade we cannot risk too much why because it's a lower time frame it's giving a lower time frame high risk setup so we have to go 4 hour and then where is the next 4 hour I think risking this trade here how much will it give if I go to 5 minutes right there boom I'm sure here will be safe guys for this trade It's high risk setup. Why? Because we are still expecting price to form a breakout here. And then after breakout, we don't know even if price will break lower, can continue and hit that stop loss. Boom. All right. But it's so good. If you are in, just risk is small. Anyway, let us look for another asset that's giving a nice opportunity, guys. Back to this one is still falling. GJ still falling and give a nice breakout. So we have a good selling setup that's coming, but which level did the price is rejecting from? We guys can see that this SNR level is the decisional level for this morning. And then when price was touching this decisional level, did we get a high risk entry? Yeah, we get a high risk entry when we switch maybe to lower time frames by getting, you know, same as 4 hour gave this confluence or the same time frame level. Same time frame level, but this is not that clear. I like below 1 hour, guys, below 1 hour. When confluence comes from the 1 hour or below 1 hour, that's what I like, guys. All right. Still not clear, 30 minutes. Let's look for this one. Yeah. Okay, like this one. Yeah. That was very nice, right? But which time frame did we drop it? We dropped to 30 minutes, right? So our S or our breakout will be here, guys. Okay, but where is our decisional level? This is 4 hour. We find the one that covers the market. Which one? This one and this one. I like this one also, since it's close to here. I'll be safe when price comes back to there. So 30 minutes, blah, blah, they're the same. Boom. So for this asset, boom here. So how many pips for stop loss? Let me have 300 points. 300 points. So I want to stay safe. Maximum, that would be very good. And then 1,000 points. 1,000. 1,000 points. Let us say 2,000 maybe. 2,000 points. This is GJ. It's similar to Goldie, guys. It doesn't joke. It can come here, guys. Boom. Let us see how GJ reacts. All right, let us look for another opportunity. Boom. This is I'm still holding this trade of USD CAT since yesterday. But it was very nice. You guys can see, boom. That was 1 hour, 1 hour level. We're still bullish anyway. We're still bullish. Since we got breakout, we need a pullback. We have to get a pullback. But I'm sure you're asking that which level is our entry this morning here. It's M30 decisional level. Boom, price comes back to this, then goes up. Yeah, just to mute yourself, guys. Boom, there is my expectation of this asset. All right, another asset, guys, market of the DXY, the dollar index. I always like to go the daily, guys, daily. So look, this breakout level. Yesterday's candle touched this daily positional level. Boom. And then it go down 4 hour when price of the daily touched, there was a breakout right here. And then that breakout confirms we are moving to the downside. Where is our positional level? The level that has covered. So this is 4 hour, H4. This is H4 positional level. Let me remove this one. I don't want it. Okay, but put this one. This is H4 decisional level. Boom. So for that H4 decisional level, price is just to move into the lower side. Okay, do we need another confluence? Yes, possible. Possible. When price was touching here, we look at that liquidity value here is up. But moving to this one and to this one gives nice. It gives nice. Go to the body, and then we move body to body. It's like that. But for the week, things good. Plus body. But there's still not that well, so I think we need to precise it. We need to precise it. Let us go to lower time frame. So our final touch is very important than everything else. Final touch. That's the one we're looking for. For this move, price always did that. What if you can see what all assets do in the same way without different, guys. So all I want is after price, it must push back up, okay? And then that's 30 minute decisional level. Boom, and then price of DXY will drop lower. Okay. Ooh, okay, 300. Okay, this is Bad day, 500. Bad days, we are in a bad days. So the US dollar is very weak, you know, guys. So this is DXY. Hmm. Let us look for another asset, guys. This is BTC USD. BTC USD. We wanted the current market price, guys. As price was pushing, it touched that daily there. Okay, decisional level from the daily. Another decisional level from the daily after multiple touches. Okay. We from the low to the high. And we move into the high. Okay, so go up there. Price of the BTC, it was buying from here. So if you look, this is the 4-hour decisive SNR level this morning before the market goes up. We go and refine it into lower time frame without another refinement. So guys, this is another level where we are expecting price either to come back or just to leave it. But you guys can see that this is our confluence. So whatever happens, there is a zone interested area. My question is, will we refine to 30 minutes or we will aim to buy from the 1-hour level? We will go 30 minutes. No, we will go 4-hour. Check the last 4-hour level. After, before this, and then this is 4-hour. I automatically go 30 minutes. So there is the interesting. No, even this one is okay, but this one is interesting. So I call this 30 minutes. So all this will be liquidations. And I make this leg and this leg also plus the 30 minute. This is what I want anyway. Brosber, close your camera. That's exactly what I'm waiting for BTC. It will fly again. Boom. Okay, let me take. All right. BTC USD. Congratulations, guys, that gold is still flying. If you are in, I'm so glad you're making. Yeah, let us check back what gold is doing, guys. You guys can see? Wow. Look, it's flying. It's flying, guys. It's flying. And to be honest, if we follow the geopolitical events or maybe the problems that the war between Israel and Iran, it is possible price can go there. Boom, it can go there. And this is how many pips, guys? 1,800 pips. Wow. Wow. But I'm not greedy. I will exit all my trades when price reaches this SPR level. And then we'll aim for the next daily level if price, because this was the resistance level that price formed yesterday. And we are now coming from this SNR on a daily level with refined or precise level. But you guys can see it reacted. Now, what are you going to do? You have to move your stop loss somewhere here. Set break event, stay safe. Okay. So one of the lower time frames, I'm expecting a breakout. Even the best breakout today is here. If price breaks here, then it seems we can still hold it that position. After price comes back somewhere here, it will finally go up. But let us wait if price breaks here. But you guys can see that this was a high risk entry. So the low risk entry comes after this, okay? So these are the two entry models we use. Okay. Simple, very easy, guys. Yeah, all chart is in the VIP group today, not in a public. So for the public, you can see my chart here today. Don't worry. Go back to 4 hour or maybe 1 hour. Look for another trade. Okay, this guy is still falling. That's what I was saying, guys. It's still falling without bullback, but it's forming a bullback. Very good. Look how it's now trying to bullback. It's now trying to bullback and reach over there. There is my entry, guys. There is my entry. If Bryce just goes up there and retests, it will be my day. Which trade? For the gold? Yeah, the high risk entry. I took that high risk entry. I'm also waiting for a low risk entry if possible. NCD USD, we took this one also. NCD USD, it was also a high risk entry, and then look, after that high risk entry, there is a breakout that price formed at 15 minutes here. NCD USD, so there is a possible entry level. Let's say here for type 2. Okay. If price continues, it's nice. If not, then we will wait. We will wait. This is UJ, UJ, UJ. Okay. So one of the issues we have UJ is like price did not touch any daily level. So we have to leave from this guy, UJ. We have to leave. Do not take trade. Although this is lower time frame confirmation, but I'm not going to aim a trade from the Euro JPY. USD CHF is still holding. Euro USD, very nice, very good. But there is no breakout. We have only one high risk entry, while price did not break yet at 1 hour. Okay, 30 minutes. Did not break. So 15 minutes is very weak. I don't like breakout at 15 minutes. 30 minutes and 1 hour is my base T. Preferred breakout for the next T entry. Okay. And the decisional level seems here. I always like M30. And this one is, yeah, M30. You see, that's very clear. M30 is very clear. So if price bullish back this morning, here is our entry. Our entry, okay. Okay. Okay, now price trying to push back from the 15 minute, but we will wait the Euro US dollar. I took that buy from the low, from the high risk entry level, which was the day, the 4 hour, you know, the 1 hour. I'm waiting for confirmation entry for low risk entry. They are all the same, GU and also EU. You see what happened here? And there is breakout. And price wants to pull back at this level. Price wants to come back at this level and then fly. I'll send the before and after when everything works or not. I will update the charts after, you know, this guy, look. AUD-USD, what it did was like the refinement level was still looking for another level that was in here. And we could still AUD was playing a good game, but I'm sure it will sell, guys. And there's no other refinement level except this one. Cannot risk more than that 100. You cannot target more than that 100 and just risky try to 20 points, 20 pips. Yeah, this is lower time frame setup. The risk is too high because there's no breakout. The risk is too high. You cannot risk too much in this setup, or just leave a wait for a nice setup in other bears. Very good. This GJ is now coming back. Now, when it comes there, I will have my selling positions. USD CAD is also coming down. Okay, DXY, for our DXY we use as a coloration since all the assets I trade there, they have a US dollar as a base currency. So DXY is always helping to give me the divergence and also the coloration. Okay, gold is still, there's no breakout yet. There's no breakout gold. Okay, UJ also is no pulling back. Let us see. And you is still flying. EJ is still coming to the key level. UC is still flying, not coming back. EU 15 minutes touched the breakout level, then it wants to pull back. Let's see. GU after breakout, there is pullback. We have, I think, lower time frame zone retested. So this SNR level, it was close here, but it did not touch where we wanted, guys. It's still flying. And it's debating price to come here, but just buying from this region, that will be a high risky for me. I don't want to enter. So AUD is still did not have the standard A. That's why You see that's standard A. So the most important part that this asset would be very nice was exactly when it was buying from this decisional level. If we could aim a nice trade from this level, yeah, that was the best time, right, to enter. And then look, go in here, and then find the or confluence. Yeah, get good confluence for that was the best time anyway. As price move it back to this region, and one of these time frames showing we got a clear breakout. So price rate just the move above this level. Then if price wants to buy, let it come down this area. We can use, if we want a retracement tool, fib level whenever we get a rejection. And then you guys can see that this area is where we can find our entry. So to make sure that this zone is truly right zone, we go 1 hour, look for a level inside this area. This is T, this is the 1 hour, this is the 1 hour decisional level. Boom, we don't want to have this fib in on the chart. We go here and then we guys can see 30-minute level again. And then we can still go lower, but we don't want, if we want to go lower time frame, you guys can see one candle comes here after the engulf, all the cover up candles, and then all these things will be but a liquidity. And then what else are you guys expecting price to give? So this was let me check. Okay. That was the last bush anyway. All we want is price to push down here, to go up. Yeah, it will be like that if we use our extension. So if we know our target, if we know our entries, we must also know our targets. Just here, as this high will be the target. Boom. We don't know even if price will target here, will reverse back to here. There is no sign of reversal yet, so we don't have to worry about this. Okay, we have to wait where price wants to reverse. After expansion, let us have pullback. So it's gonna pull back here, I think so. That's AUD. All right. Okay, you are waiting for Goldie and UJ to come to our lower time frame DL type 2 entry. Wow, that will be safe. That will be safe, brother. Safe, safe. Even if this AU comes here, oh. GJ even, look, GJ. UJ, this method, this way of this method, TT entry technique is absolutely working very well. It's absolutely working in every market. So it's, you know, one thing that you see it every day. One thing you see it in every asset, every market. Wow. Gold is tagged somewhere there. We did not break out, so let us wait, guys. So all the assets, I have done the updates, so I gave you breakdowns of all assets. I hope you get it. Welcome anyway. Kamal. Wargeel jire. Ku aawi geel jirow. So gold is possible to pull back, but without breakout, no entry anyway. Breakout and pull back. That's what I want. That's Somali language. Okay. Anyway, take your time, guys. Keep watching. Keep watching, guys. Keep watching. You can also do the same analysis. Okay, so that together we can have multiple setups during the day without not watch your screen. So these are the major betas that I watch out every day and trade if there is opportunity. So yeah, welcome. These are my watch list. Okay. I look if there is an opportunity inside these assets, from these assets like UJ, NU, EJ, UC, EU, GU, and also AU, GJ. Again, because we have here is GJ, this is GU, and this is EJ, this is UC. These are the major betas I always look for every day. Come on, gold. Come on, Goldie. So most of the assets are promising today. If there is liquidations, I use lead timing for liquidities or any like you see there was liquidation here. There was another liquidation. This is within the range. Okay, breakout and retest. Within the range, breakout, then the retest, it comes back to this level. After that, price go up in that day long. After that, then, you know, new day comes. There was liquidations, breakout within the range, sell off. Then after price was selling off, you have to see that price was testing here. So this was a major liquidation. Price move it up. Boom. And then you see here is today. So if price wants to sell off, this is left shoulder plus the daily decisional level. So institutionals now look in orders that are resting above this key level. We refine it to 1 hour, and then whenever 1 hour touch, 1 hour price touch, 1 hour price touch in this level, it's above, and there is the best area to sell off. Similarly, this is within range. This is two side liquidations. This was very bad day, but finally price broke below the range and then retest. So that's breakout and retest. After breakout, it retested and then started selling off, and all that day price was selling till the next day. Here you guys can see after this day, the next day price just started coming in here, and then what are you guys asking? Okay, brother. Okay, you don't have to stay here. You can go, you can do whatever you want. Yeah, wherever you want, wherever you want. Okay, you have the technique, you know everything. Don't worry. You know everything. Okay. Yeah, take your time anyway. Wow. Let us see. Anyway, I will keep watching these levels, guys. Wish you the best. And I will be back, you know, after 2 hours for the live session, guys. I wish you the best and have a good day. Bye-bye.